Okay, to replace a motherboard on MH or EH, first of all, tip the machine over. And there will be screws that you need to remove, located here, 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 and 2 feet located here as well. So once you remove those, you should be able to get the cover off. You should see the motherboard. So it holds by those small plastic holders there. So you can grab something like tweezers, or you can use your hands to remove the motherboard. So get your replacement, disconnect it, put your replacement in. That's how you replace the motherboard on MH or EH series.